Hello, we're Simplify Home Inspections. Simplify Home Inspections is a home inspection company that provides full home inspections, 4-point inspections, and wind mitigation inspections on the Treasure Coast of Florida and surrounding areas. To be upfront, there is no shortage of home inspectors on the Treasure Coast. We're in the midst of one of the biggest real estate booms the area has ever seen. There are tons of people still migrating to our lovely Treasure Coast from the Northeast, but people from West Palm and further down south are flocking to St. Lucie County in droves. So that being said, there is also a large opportunity to make money in the home inspection industry. So how will Simplify Home Inspectors capture their share of the market and beyond? This is simple: be different. If you want someone to notice you, be different. Just ask the girl with the blue hair. Simplify Home Inspections will provide customers with a professional experience for a reasonable price. Many home inspection companies in my area charge $500 for a home inspection, and some of them may even show up in a t-shirt. According to 904living.com, the average cost of a home inspection in South Florida is between $200 and $450. From my own personal interviews with several home inspectors in my area, the average cost is around $500. The home inspection could take anywhere from 2 to 3 hours and 1 to 2 hours on their report. So on the high side of things, that is approximately $100 per hour. Of course, some of this money goes to overhead, but after the initial purchase of the specialized tools required to perform home inspections, there's not much overhead. Most of the inspectors in my area who are cheaper for a reason: unprofessional, perform poor inspections, or have bad customer service. Simplify Home Inspections will cater to the group of people who care about professionalism and a thorough inspection, but don't want to pay an arm and a leg for it. Our mission statement here at Simplify Home Inspections is always faithful, and our mission is to provide affordable home inspection services without sacrificing professionalism or quality. Our company philosophy and vision, our values, Simplify Home Inspection values are honesty, integrity, and professionalism. Simplify Home Inspections is to become the most successful home inspection company on the Treasure Coast, and Simplify Home Inspections will always improve with the industry and will continue to provide an equal or greater amount of services to its competitors than its competitors. Our company goals: Simplify Home Inspections' short-term goals are to establish itself on the Treasure Coast and to become a trusted name. Simplify Home Inspections will strive for a 5% growth in sales every quarter, and its long-term goal is to be the largest and most successful home inspection company on the Treasure Coast. The home inspection business will always be in demand as long as properties are exchanging hands. With home inspection being a fairly stable profession, as well as a reasonably paid profession, the competition is fairly extensive. There are over 50 home inspection companies on the Treasure Coast. Some of the services we provide and the problems we solve and who needs them solved. The problem our service solves is home inspections are expensive. It's the price. They are a small cost compared to purchasing a home, but who wants to spend even more money when they are already making a large purchase? If you go with a home inspector who is cheap, you typically get an inspector in a t-shirt, stained jeans with unprofessional service. My company gives the customer what they want: a non-inflated price with the utmost professionalism and customer service. If there is one who doubts that both can be done at the same time, I can and will change their mind. We have a competitive advantage. Simplify Home Inspections will use a price differentiation strategy method to attract customers. Unlike most businesses that offer price differentiation strategies, Simplify Home Inspections will still provide exceptional service. SFHI will seek to increase profits by performing more home inspections than other surrounding companies. For example, let's take a look at Walmart compared to Target. Walmart is cheaper. They use a price differentiation strategy as well as Target does, but Target's on the higher end of things. And you will expect to have better customer service at Target over Walmart because Walmart is cheaper. But with Simplify Home Inspections, you don't have to worry about sacrificing that quality for that reduction in price, I can assure you. Simplify Home Inspections will offer home inspections at $400. Our 4-point inspections will be at $100, and wind mitigation inspections will be $70. This is compared to the average in my area, which is $500, $150, and $75 respectively. Being that Simplify Home Inspections prices are lower than the competition, it will attract new customers who are price conscious. Simplify Home Inspections is shooting for profit margins of 25%. Simplify Home Inspections' target market will be homeowners, home sellers, insurance companies, and realtors. But it will put the most focus and effort in developing relationships with realtors. By developing relationships with realtors, the business will end up spending substantially less on advertisement, as longtime customers will be gained in successful realtors and providing us with an ample amount of repeat business. Second to realtors will be insurance agents. They can also bring repeat business. By developing these relationships with multiple realtors and insurance agents, Simplify Home Inspections will be nearly guaranteed a steady income of working opportunities on the within the Treasure Coast. Some of our service features and benefits. When a customer gets an inspection performed by Simplify Home Inspections, they will receive an extensive report. This will include visual, high-quality images in HTML and PDF formats for easy viewing through the website. Simplify Home Inspections will go over the report in detail with the customer and the agent if they're on site, fully explaining all discrepancies and providing suggestions for local professionals to mitigate any issues. These reports will be available within 24 hours or the inspection's free. Although Simplify Home Inspections will be marketing to homeowners, home sellers, insurance companies, and realtors, it will put the most focus and effort in developing relationships with realtors. By developing these solid relationships, it can ensure a steady stream of return business. Competition. The home inspection business will always be in demand as long as properties are exchanging hands. With home inspection being a fairly stable profession as well as a reasonably paid profession, the competition is fairly extensive. There are over 50 home inspection companies on the Treasure Coast. Our niche. Simplify Home Inspection's positioning niche will be customers who want a professional experience for a reasonable price. Simplify will be offering an equal or greater service than its surrounding home inspection companies for 30% less. Some of our marketing platforms that will be used are web initiatives. We're going to use our website. We're going to request that customers who are satisfied will leave us a good review on Google. We're going to use promotional offers with discounts for first-time users in reference to realtors and insurance agents. And we're going to give out business cards to whoever will have them. We'll also be placed in all of the major realtor offices and insurance officers in the area. And then the price differentiation. We're going to be cheaper. We're going to be better. Our initial marketing and advertising will be $2,000 for our promotional budget. The initial money will go to vinyl wrapping, the work vehicle, and getting business cards made. This will get the ball rolling, and then after that, we will still invest in advertising. However, We will be relying a lot on those repeat customers from those relationships we develop and word of mouth. Production. Home inspections will be done on site with the property being inspected. The report will be done at my home office. An average home inspection will take approximately 2 to 3 hours, depending on the size of the home, and the report will take an additional 1 hour. The customer will receive a digital copy of their home inspection within 24 hours, guaranteed. Simplify Home Inspections won't have a brick and mortar location. The only building that will be utilized for the business will be my own personal home. My services will be brought to my customers at their homes, and their reports will be available by email. And my vehicle will be my office. Having liability insurance in the home inspection industry is imperative. The average cost for liability insurance is $600 to $1,200 annually, and that's priceless. The home inspection industry has much liability to go along with it. People can come after you and sue for even claims that you did an improper job with your home inspection. Also, a home inspector must be licensed in the state which they practice. And I am licensed to training with Internachi and Florida licensors. As far as personnel goes, I'll be the sole employee. However, I will hire certain professionals to do portions of the home inspection which require even further training, such as someone to inspect the pool. Although I'm very knowledgeable in inspecting other areas of the home, a pool's a specialty, and we want to subcontract that out so that our customers can receive the best inspections. I'm the member manager of Simplify Home Inspections. I'm a Marine Corps veteran. That's where we get our name from. And I'm also currently working as a firefighter paramedic on the special operations team. So I studied a lot of building construction as a part of my duties and a part of my job. And one of the things that makes me and my company, Simplify Home Inspections, unique is that I have a steady income from another primary job. So my financial status is unaffected by this business. There's not an extensive amount of investments, and as long as I work hard on my days off, the business will grow as needed, and with no stress or no shortcomings that may arise from the formation of this new business. And this leads to a projected 100% success rate. I will not quit. I am the member manager, and I will be mentored by a past colleague of mine, Chris Martin, who's the owner of First Do Home Inspections. This is my organizational chart. Very simple. This is going over our opening day balance sheet. If you want to just take a second to review this, our total assets will be $19,331 when we start. Here's our profit and loss projection over 3 years. As you can see, we have good growth. We're expecting to have a net operating income of $16,886 in 2022. And in this current year, we're expecting to have $13,559. That's a substantial jump. And we're expecting only to grow from there. Here's our projected balance sheet. Take a second to review it. And here's an important view just to get for everybody to get an idea. Our break-even sales are $45,433, which we are projected to have this year. Well, that wraps up my presentation of my business. Thank you for your time, and remember, Simplify Home Inspections. Next time someone asks about a home inspection, tell them about Simplify Home Inspections. We are always faithful.